Hey guys, wanna know how to log into Lorex app or your Lorex website? But in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So first off, make sure you have your account created as well. If you haven't, I have created a detailed video on how to download and create your account. Make sure to watch it. Now, it's almost the same for both PC and mobile, so you can follow my steps for both. Now simply hit what's your favorite browser and then type in lorex.com. In here you can see the official Lorex website pops up. Now to log into your account, just simply on the right side right here you can see login or sign up. Simply click on my account and then just type in your login credentials. Once you've done it, just simply press on this yellow login icon right here. And that's it. As you can see, my account has been logged in, and you can also see your orders, addresses and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.